If you are a business owner, I'm going to give you a tip to spy on your competitors legally. So first of all, you have to go to facebook.com/ad/library. Okay. So you'll be taken to a page like this. And first of all, you have to select the country and the ad category. I'm selecting all ads. And you have to search for the competitors now. I'm just taking physics wala now. When you enter the page, you can see the current running ads of the physics wala page. Okay. And you can know where they are running, when they started running. So we can see their full primary text, their copies, their creatives, images, their call to action, and everything will be visible here. And we can go to any other competitor. Let's take Digital Scholar. See how much ads they are running. Currently, they are running 150 ads, right? I think. Yeah, this much of ads are active. You can see their primary text, the creative, the poster, the video, the call to action, everything. So this is how you can spy on your competitors legally and take action in respect of that. So don't forget to follow to know more interesting tips and tricks. Bye.